Is Narendra Modi a good prime minister or a bad prime minister? Give me your opinion. Is he strong?
Yes, sir. With respect to international relations, he has really taken India to a very great level in the
Are you
global.
proud of that?
Yes, sir. Definitely.
Do you agree with what he's saying?
सिद्धांत है हम घर में घुस के मारेंगे चुन चुन करके हिसाब लेना ये मेरी फितरत है सातवें पाताल में होंगे उनको भी मैं छोड़ने वाला नहीं
बताओ.
Yes, sir. It was in 2016. Uri.
जब भी बोला है. Do you agree with what he's saying?
Yes, sir. It was done for
हमारा
the.
सिद्धांत है घर में घुस के मारेंगे. ये हमारा सिद्धांत है.
Sir, that was done to protect our territorial.
मैं कुछ और पूछ रहा हूँ. जो इसने कहा है हमारा सिद्धांत है. झूठ बोल रहे हैं ये?
Sir, as far as I could recall, it's not none, that something like that is not written in our constitution. But then Article 3.
It will not be written in your constitution. Which article what?
355.
Says what? घर में घुस के मारो.
Like we can protect our motherland if required. Center
ये
can.
तो क्या बोल रहा है? घर में घुस के मारूंगा. That's destroying the other fellow. इसका background क्या है बेटी?
So we have the right to protect our motherland, and if required, we can have a realistic
We can?
action. Offensive realism is something.
So therefore, if these guys are talking about severing chicken's neck, I should go and hit them
If
to
they
protect my territory.
yes, sir. If they threaten to cut us, the cut.
That's
then
what they're
not.
doing. They're making statements every day. Plus, they are killing Hindus. Time is right now. घर में घुस के मारूं कि नहीं मारूं?
So they are just making statements. They are not doing anything
How do you know?
as of.
Are you waiting for them to do something?
No, sir. Preemptive strike is required, but they
तो
are
therefore
not.
करूं कि नहीं करूं?
करना चाहिए सर अगर जरूरत पड़े.
चलिए अब मान गई है हमारी बेटी. अच्छा बच्चे ये कौन सा अटेम्प्ट है आपका?
So it was my 4th attempt. First means first interview.
फर्स्ट मीन्स फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू. मुझे एक चीज बताओ बेटा. Why do you want to join the civil service?
So civil services would give me a lot of challenging work.
You think so?
Yes, sir. Because
Sitting in the secretariat and clearing files about somebody's casual leave is challenging work?
so I believe since I put my first choice as the Indian Administrative Service, I would be getting to deal with the revenue, law and order, and
In one
development
state,
work.
in one district.
So,
अगर आपको कहीं और नहीं भेजा तो क्या करोगी बेटी?
so I think a lot of officers, they took deputation in center and they.
Oh no. It's not for you to volunteer. It's for us to choose.
But sir, I think even in the district level, in the grassroots level also, sir, a lot of work can be done.
You
And
can't do it outside the IAS.
of course, sir, it can be done outside the IS. But
Then?
if I am in the IS, I would get empowered to empower the
Thank
community.
you very much. So you want the power? बोल तो दिया आपने.
So that would be used to empower the
Am I saying-
communities.
You want the? I'm not asking you what you'll do with it. You want the power? मजा आता है ना power होने से. लाल बत्ती गाड़ी पे मजा आता है ना. मजा आता है कि नहीं?
No, sir, but actually that would give us a lot of opportunity also to work for
बेटा,
people.
मुझे सब मालूम है वो कहानी. I'm trying to ask you to give me an honest answer.
Yes, sir, that is the power.
You will enjoy the power.
It's the most prestigious job of the country.
Thank
I
you
want to be
very
a
much.
part of
Now
it.
you
sir.
have come, clean with us. All
Thank
the
you,
rest
sir.
will give me diversity of experience. वो सब आपकी जो chat GPT वगैरह होती है उसमें आते हैं, ठीक है? अच्छा, final question. When did you last visit Assam?
So a couple of years back, I was here.
Where did you
preparing-
go to school, Betty?
So 2000.
Where did you go to school?
Sir, St. Mary's Convent in Guwahati.
That's a lovely school. और university कहाँ गई?
Sir, NIT Silchar. I did my bachelor's in civil
I've been
engineering.
there. I've spoken at NIT Silchar. अच्छा बेटी हमें एक चीज बताओ. Main illegal immigration का problem state of Assam में कौन से देश से है?
Bangladesh.
क्या करूं उनके साथ?
Sir, I think they need to be.
Thrown out?
Yes, sir, they need to be evicted because India's resources are fully for its citizens.
Forget it. What should we do? Don't give me justification. Evict them.
Yes, sir, they need to be evicted.
They need to be evicted. And
Yes,
when you
sir.
become DM of a border district, Kokrajhar or somewhere, you'll throw them out. Have you been to Kokrajhar? Bodoland?
No, sir.
Who are the Boros?
So the Boros are the indigenous people of Assam, and they occupy almost 35% of the population, the tribal population in Assam.
अच्छा मेरे को एक चीज बताओ. Why are they famous?
So they have the.
Can you link them to the Mahabharata?
So Bhim married a girl from the Boro community.
Yes. And their son was called
So I'm not able to recall the name.
Ghatotkacha.
Yes, sir, Ghatotkacha.
And he sacrificed himself
Yes, sir.
to save Arjun.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
बेटा जब मैं I was special advisor there. जब मैं कोकराझार में जाता था वो मुझे and you know what we call them? Rakshas. Look at the arrogance of the North Indian. और वो मुझे कहते थे कि we fought for you Hindus. They are also Hindus.
Yes, sir.
We fought for Bharat. We were the first defenders.
Yes, sir.
Very fine community. Basant Ray, Sumant Ray, these are the family names. Wonderful people. Hardcore Hindus. You agree?
Yes, sir. Even they worship Batho, that is a primitive Shiva.
That's of course. And of course, as rightly said, Ghatotkaч. एक मंदिर है कहीं पे. The woman's name was Hidimba.
Yes, sir. Hidimba, yes, sir.
याद आ गया सब कुछ?